This is... Hello. There's not too much wind in this video. I'm gonna film for a little bit of time. Like stop for a while and continue in the tunnel, before the tunnel. Or going over the bridge at Hillsborough to show you what's going on there. I gotta love this. We're riding 303 Central Railroad, New Jersey. Motive power today was the 2452 and the 405 from the DL Railroad. This is quality railroad action. Probably the most quality in the world. This is actually a really cool view. It's like riding your own personal business car. Aw, there goes my good view. Well, I'll continue once we're at Hillsborough. Now, what I didn't catch was a little bit of time our one conductor was standing in front of the camera, still there. Same as Mike. But anyway, there was some quads back there. Yet again, people are quadding along the railroad. Illegal. Just going to pass by Tobyhanna yard. Cool part is filling on these straightaways. And even better, because a lot of track work has been going on, you can go on these higher speeds down the main line. For all you folks out there, very far away from the northeast, this is what American Railroad is like, or steam train excursion. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully this time that's off the camera again before we get to do what we need to do. If I catch something interesting, you know, it's gonna go on video. We'll be back.
Very few examples of that left anymore.
I know on the Reading and Northern for Mountaintop, because I used to live up there, there's a good section left. I did start filming.
That's good. That's the stuff that people don't do and then they forget about.
It's about a quarter of a mile left. All the insulators and all the wire is still there, untouched.
Wow.
Which is actually pretty impressive. We're just heading over the Hillsborough Bridge. You can see sections of the old bridge on the side of us. They only replaced 2, they have a 3rd one to replace. Are they putting all the sections back once they take this out?
What are you Yeah, they're going to put new steel in.
On all 3 lanes?
No, just on the main track here.
And then they're going to keep that walkway there, I'm going to guess.
Yeah, that serves the function of some purpose. I guess the shoe fly is going to be. Where do you think they're going to pull that off?
My assumption, well, if it's a joint pier on the left, so my assumption is the section on the right is going to be where the shoe fly is, but that's my assumption.
It's always great to see the railroad back, being restored to its former glory.
You know, the tamping, when they did the tamping and regulation.
Slowing down, considering the time, we're probably right behind the yard train, or in front, depends on your preference of direction. Cameras, they never focus. Considering that's the last crossing before Scranton, you should know what this means. Unless you've never rode on this railroad, then of course you don't know what that means. Here we go. You're not television, but designed in the 1850s, 60s era. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There was sparks coming out underneath us. Holy cats. Well, there goes some of my hearing. They are. Yeah, that's the final installment of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely check out Steamtown. Great railroad. Great company. They have really nice excursions on really nice tracks with really nice antique rail cars. And of course, if you're a big rail fan, right now they got Alco. See ya.